Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take off the top cover on your Anthbot robotic lawnmower. It will give you access for cleaning or if you need to get to the other parts. First things first, we need to turn it off.
Power off.
Make sure it's fully shut down. And if you're worried about cutting yourself, wear gloves. I've got an old cloth here if I do need to handle the blade. So I'm going to turn it upside down now. And there's a connector at the front that we need to undo. So I'm just going to swivel this round. And you need to get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. So this little white clip here we need to undo. And it's this connector that we need to separate. And then the two parts will come away from each other. So keep that screw to one side. And you can see now that that bit's lifted up. It's also clipped under here, but you don't have to undo that. Just work it down underneath there, and that will give you access to it here. Now, this is quite hard to undo. There's a little bit of rubber on the left-hand side. So if you get a little screwdriver and just put it under the rubber without ripping it, you can use a little pin or something else, or you can squeeze it like that to make it go big there. And you can see now I've got plenty of room to get under there. And I'm just going to work that up here so it's out of my way, like so. So now by moving that down there, you can see we have much more room here. So you want to get yourself some pliers or some mole grips or vice grips. And when we go on it here, we want to move it up in this direction. So if you're looking at it from here, you want to go clockwise. So I'm going to get the pliers on here. It's quite hard to do. And I'm going to move it up this way while holding this one here. And I'm going to move them around a bit more, do it again, and again. And hopefully now I should be able to do it by hand. So I'm moving that round that way. Keep unscrewing it, and you will see that there's a little red O-ring. And now, once that's dropped down like so, we can simply pull it apart like that. Right, now that that's undone there, there's 4 poppers we need to undo. They're on the top, and they're roughly located in this location, here, 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 and here. Now it's quite hard to do because they're properly, that's like a ball and socket that's gone into them. I think it's probably best if you let the weight help you. So if you put it on its side, and if you hold the wheel here and get your thumb here, did you hear that pop there? So that was quite easy, wasn't it? Now we're going to do the same on this side here. So I'm just going to hold it here. Don't go near the blades. If you're worried, wear gloves. And I'm just going to go here and here and pop it. There you go, that pop there. Now gently, because it's still popped on the other 2 sides, I'm going to go this side, put it on its side here, and I'm going to pop. This one's hard. Oh, very hard. Let me try here. There we go. And now just this last one. There we go. Right, and you can see here, 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 and here, they're kind of like rubber, and these bits here are like little balls. So you can see that they're all loose like this. Yep. So that's it, it's like a ball and socket, and that's why you need quite a lot of force to take them off. But that is it. That will give you access to much more off it now. And remember, we have more components here as well. Now, to put it back, just quickly do that now. So once you've done your cleaning or done your work, we want to line it up the correct way round. So you've got the big wheels at the back here. Just put it roughly into place here. You can see it kind of wants to find its own home. Not like that, but if you get that right there with the rain sensor there, you can see it's in place. I just need to force down. 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, 4 clicks. So that's it all back in. And now we just need to do the connector at the front. So with this connector, it's keyed. If you have a look, there's a little semicircle just coming out at the bottom there. So it needs to go in to, that little bit there needs to go into the groove there. So don't force it, make sure that goes into that there, and then everything will line up. So nice and gently, just wiggle it around until it's there. And now you can see I'm in the right place. I'm just going to push it home like so. And now I need to get this, and I need to screw it towards me this way. So if I'm looking from the top here, it's going to be counterclockwise. So I'm doing that up, finger tight to begin with. Remember, there is a little O-ring there. I'm not going to go crazy because I don't want to crush that O-ring completely. I'm going to get my pliers and I'm just going to nip it up a little bit. There we go. It's fiddly because there's not a lot of room to get to it. And now I'm going to move this little rubber down and put it into that groove there. And squeeze it all the way around to make it nice and waterproof. There we go. So that's that bit done. Now we're going to put these bits here, just underneath here. And I'm going to clamp this back on to the little screw thread just here. That screw thread there. A magnetic screwdriver definitely helps. Right, so that's screwed in there. Again, you're only going to plastic, don't go too hard. And that's underneath there, like so. So you can see that can swivel without fouling that at all. Everything is back to normal. And turn it round. Hopefully now it will be a lot cleaner under there, or whatever you had access to has now been fixed and your robot lawnmower will be working again. Thanks for watching.